Honor Magic V6 is set to launch on March 1st. The new teaser video shared by the brand on Weibo. More live images of the foldable have also come our way. One of the images showcases it in its completely folded state. This reveals the octagonal camera module with a golden ring. It seemingly houses quad camera sensors and an LED flash in the middle. The second and third live images show the cover screen, with a center punch hole for the selfie shooter. We also see speakers and a USB Type-C port at the bottom portion of the frame. Honor Magic V6 is confirmed to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. The Magic V6 could arrive in two configurations, 12GB plus 256GB and 16GB plus 512GB. The 12GB plus 256GB version will house a 7,150 mAh battery. This version will reportedly get 120W fast charging support and Baidu's satellite SMS functionality. There's also a variant with a 6,580 mAh battery, and this could get 80W fast charging, but will lack satellite features. The Magic V6 is still extremely thin, possibly even thinner than its predecessor. Features include wireless charging, full waterproofing, a 200-megapixel main camera with a large sensor, and a periscope telephoto lens. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.